Today I want to show you one of my morning routines inside my cozy little caravan. Some mornings I love starting my day with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. But one thing I never touch is orange juice. I've pinned the exact reason why in the very first comment of this video. If you read it, you probably won't ever want to drink orange juice again, even if it's freshly squeezed. Grapefruit, on the other hand, works absolute wonders for your health. But I like to take my morning juice to a whole new level with a secret ingredient. Organic hemp hearts. Organic hemp seeds are an absolute powerhouse. They are packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredible for health heart, boosting your immune system, and giving your skin a radiant glow. It's a winning combination for a day full of energy. These completely natural vegan seeds are so versatile and good for you. You can sprinkle them over salads, add them to almost any dish you like, or blend them directly into your juices and drinks like I do. They add a delicious, subtle flavor and are amazing for your health. If you want to see the full list of ingredients and all the gadgets I used in this video, just click on the little triangle icon in the bottom left corner of your screen to get access to everything.